What's up guys, Samsung's flagship smartphone has changed quite a lot over the course of 10th generation and now it seems its 11th could be seeing a big change. Apparently, the phone we thought would be the Galaxy S11 will actually be called the Galaxy S20. Yeah guys, you hear me right, the Galaxy S20. Ice Universe, a Samsung tipster with a fairly good track record, mentioned earlier this week on Twitter that something unexpected could be in the works. Going into the new decade, Samsung could be skipping forward with 10 variant numbers and calling its upcoming flagship the Galaxy S20. In a follow-up tweet, Ice mentions that this marks a new beginning of sorts. It's unclear what this means, but it does suggest, along with the jump in the variant numbers, that this device will be a considerable step up over the S10 series. That is, outside of its exterior design, which seems to only be a minor upgrade. Of course, this could end, if we are being honest, probably is just a clever PR move, and Samsung could get a few big wins from this new naming scheme. In another thread, I says that there will be 3 models for the Samsung's 2020 flagship, with the Galaxy S20, S20 Plus and the top tier model as well. Apparently, there will be no S20e to follow up on last year's S10e, but instead the base S20, an upgraded S20 Plus and finally an S20 Ultra. At this time, though, S20 Ultra may not be the final name. For one, Samsung distances itself a bit from other 10 brands. Recently, we have seen iPhone X, Android 10 and more. Further, Samsung gets to match the name with the year, which makes these phones even easier to keep track of. Likely most important to Samsung, though, is that it puts the company's numbering scheme back in front of the iPhone. In 2020, Apple have the iPhone 12, but Samsung will have the Galaxy S20. So, that's it for today guys. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.